So that one in the sky. That one. Then that blue one that has the black on his back is Luca. And then that full white one is Butter. Then the green one is George. There's 4 of them. The blue one that has the black on it, it kisses the white one. So, and here's the food. So this is the whole cage. That the sky always stays up there. Hey, Sky is staring at the camera. I'm sorry that is so blurry. But yeah, these are the birds. You might be able to see them better right here. Instead of Butter for the yellow one, it's Buddha. So, see, they kissed. They're kissing. They were. Watch. They always kiss. That one is my mom's friend, and then Sky is my friend, and Buddha. Hey. No. Then we have that around it, so then we can just lift it up when we need to, just in case when we leave, Pookie doesn't get them. So, because he would probably kill them. Oh my God, I was almost gonna touch it. You guys are loud. Okay. I want to try to touch the green one.
Probably.
Look at how pretty. Wow, there's 4.
And then there's 2
The
down
blue and
here.
yellow one. Oh, look. Watch this, watch. They'll keep kissing.